Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of hinge. A joint that holds two parts together so that one can swing relative to the other. Flexible joint. A circumstance upon which subsequent events depend. His absence is the hinge of our plan. Attach with a hinge.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.